My name is Régine Roumain. I'm the executive director and founder of Haiti Cultural Exchange, which is a nonprofit organization that was founded in 2009 to develop, present, and promote Haitian arts and culture. I came here to New York to come to college and continued my career in the nonprofit sector, not Haiti related necessarily. And I felt that there was a void. There was a void. There wasn't an organization that was representing the multiplicity, the multitude, the multidisciplinary nature of Haitian arts and culture. And so I really felt that it was important to me for me to step into that space as I could, as someone who had been in a nonprofit sector, had worked in philanthropy, had also worked in social service organizations dealing with Haiti. It really felt like that was a piece that was missing. There's so much negativity around Haiti and our arts and our people and our history. And it was just really important for me to highlight the positive aspects of our arts, our culture, and our history right here in this dynamic city that we live in New York. Bringing Haiti-based artists here to New York to present their work has been part of the vision and mission for Haiti Cultural Exchange since the very beginning. It's been magic. Many of these artists here didn't necessarily have that kind of connection with Haiti, and so I just feel like it has just elevated the work that we've been able to do and shed light on those artists and on their artistry and their culture, and brought a lot of synergy into the space that has been just beautiful. Some of the most rewarding things have been seeing how our youth and our younger people kind of embrace our culture. Many of them have never been to Haiti, right? And they're here in the United States kind of disconnected from their culture. And seeing young people, whether they be my children or college-age students, kind of connect with Haitian culture and learn about the music and the history have been some of the most rewarding elements. I really feel what keeps me going is the community aspect. Anytime I'm at a Haiti Cultural Exchange event, I find so much joy, you know, whether it's a drumming circle or presenting the visual arts or presenting music. I leave energized and feeling grateful and positive, and shedding light on our country and our history and our people provides me with a lot of joy. And I would say that the audience that we've developed over the years and the community that we've developed has been just a positive force for me and for many people. And so I'm just grateful to be able to do this work. Very, very grateful. It's not the kind of organization that says that there's nothing negative happening. That's not what it is, you know. But it is also saying, yes, there are all these things happening, and we can still feel strong, and we can still feel validated, and we can still find joy. And that's what we try to do with the organization. We try.
What professional advice would you give to a younger Régine?
A younger Régine. I would say, wow, I have to think about this a bit. I would say a younger Régine can feel more confident than my younger self did, can feel more confident, can continue to kind of tap into people and not necessarily feel as alone maybe as I did in the earlier years. I did have a really strong cohort of Haitian founders. Haitian women founded Haiti Cultural Exchange, and some of them are still on the board, very much involved. And so they provided a lot of strength to me as a young woman trying to do this. But I would say that. And I would also say, like, to just broaden your community, not be afraid to ask for help. And I would also say that balance is very important. I put 125% of myself into this, and I had a young child at the time. And, you know, I don't know that my family necessarily understood as much of what I gave to Haiti Cultural Exchange to found it. It took a lot of my time. And it's not that I regret it, but I also feel like, you know, I could have had a little bit more balance with that. When you're passionate about things, it's not that easy to realize or to remember, but it is okay to take it easy, you know, and embrace your passions, but also find balance.
What does being a strong woman mean to you?
Oh man, so much of being a strong woman is also accepting our vulnerabilities, is also accepting when we are challenged. That is also being strong, you know, knowing when to ask for help, but also stepping into our power. I came into this organization and wanted to found this organization, and I had a trajectory in nonprofits, and I had worked in nonprofits and philanthropy, but I really didn't know much of what I was doing. And I think a lot of it is feeling agency and feeling that intrinsic power in self, and relying on our community to bolster that power, and to step into the world, knowing that we're going to make mistakes and that we're going to fail, and that's okay too. That's strong to me. My name is Régine, et me sont Fanm Djanm.